Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Yes, so we don't come back again with another delicious post. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. We greet the house, we greet everybody, we greet papa and mama. My wonderful people, abeg una try help me subscribe to this channel. Una subscribe as una dey view the video. Una try help me subscribe, touch the red button wey say subscribe. After you subscribe, you touch am again to on the notification bell in case whenever we post a video una will receive our video. Abeg, I know you guys can do it. Yes, so that is my commenters analyzer people. I greet una. Today we come carry another another trading another trading news wey dey on board. Saga everywhere dey hot. This 2022, my people, where we wan hide our head, we no even know. We no even know the comment section to go again, because everywhere when you go, gbosky, then we dey see. Today we dey Aproko the Godfather comment section. My people, we'll read wetin Aproko the Godfather put. So this matter na between Queen Ritoto and Monica Lobolobo. No be small. This their matter, e sweet die. They entertain us. Hey, so I read wetin Aproko Godfather post for her wall. People come comment put. So now the comment na make us dey here is our work. But first, before we go through the comments, we'll tell now wetin the post dey all about. The post say Aproko people, who dey lead for this saga, because we need to crown the winner of this 2022 New Year saga. We are still counting score. Na Aproko we dey do. Come put bicycle emoji or bicycle, say I'm going. Na Aproko will be. So e can bring Rita Ayemiomo TV post. He can't bring her comment. He can't say first point that Rita they talk to. Rita say first point, she dare me never to analyze her video. I broke the deal. Second, he say now she joined the video analysis. So Rita no Ritoto. Okay, she can say Ritoto na oga with the emoji of I am a strong woman. So my people will go to the comment section now. When we dey do, yes, na comment section na we dey all about. Just that we need to explain wetin dem dey comment put for now, so that una go still understand. We not just carry comment but dey read. You need to explain the title of the video, the title of the post. So now we'll go through the comment section, my people. My commenters analyzer, where una dey? Yes, so the first comment say I don't know, my people, my commenters analyzer fans, if I post down now will correct me. I does my cap for my Queen Rita. She can't buy her hair like that. Don't be small. So this person can't reply the comment say that woman she be. She enter Monica family from the front and she about to come out from the back. Family reading. No be small. Even me, I shake my nyash for them. Two of them. I shake my nyash and my front for them. Hey. This saga, my people, it really the saga, it tie gele. Come tie wrapper join the gele. He can't wear cocoa shoe join am. Because this 2022 saga really strong. The way when the saga take burst out, be like waiting. I don't know. Me, I not come to go talk. So let's take the next comment, my people. Queen Ritoto no na oga o. Strong woman. I love you, Ritoto. Emoji of strong. So the next one say the face of the winner of 2022 saga, Queen Lolo Tosho. This our Aproko commenters. Una be really Aproko commenters una be. Which one come be Lolo for inside this one now? This matter one with the talk. Which one come be Lolo? Okay, be like say Lolo post video. Our next video will be on Lolo post. Okay. So my people, let's take the next comment. It say Rita don break Egu Gambia two-side mirror. Okoro with the emoji of I am strong. With my people, now ask this question. Which side mirror Rita can't break? Don't be small. Hey. So let's take the next comment. This one say up Queen Rita. The other one say Rita is leading. Okay. So let's take another comment, my people. So my people, let's take the next comment. The next comment say from the very day when Rita starts looking for people who does not look for her, na that day her juju turn back on her. My people, Aproko commenters, Rita first get juju wey dey follow her before, when be say as e come dey look for people wey no look for her, na that day her juju come turn back on her. My people, no worry, as I dey edit this video, I go dey put the comments make una dey see am with una eyes. My people, another comment don still ball out again. This one say Monica is only person when e beat person and the person can never forget. Na he make Rita fall in love with her. As Monica no notice her, e come turn evil. Okay, write down my Aproko commenters, people. I too love una. Una dey give me talk to talk. Okay, wetin una mean with this comment now? Say Rita be dey fall in love with Monica lobolobo. Okay, as Monica lobolobo no come notice Ritoto, na e come cause quarrel. Now wetin this comment mean? My people, I leave am for una. Una judge this case whether na truth or not be truth. Our own na to bring the comments out. Una own na for una to judge the case. Okay, my people, we no get with the join for here. Let's take the next comments. My people, mo take the next comment. He say, but na true say Rita mama throway leg for bush with Calabar boys. Na quarrel, na question I ask o, no be small. My people, mo no dey talk wetin we no know because una dey support people. Mo na no dey talk wetin una no know because una dey support people. Una dey put fire make these people dey fight, make dem dey get issue. The only thing wey I dey like una, if una don put fire finish, say if alarm blow, una dey bring una money come out dey support them. That one I like una for. Una no dey push them for kasawa. Una come leave them for inside the fire, may e burn them. Na that one I dey like una. Okay, my people, let's take the next comment. Our next comment say Rita is the winner, of course. A woman who was gang up, but she won. Is Rita winning? We don't know. We don't know. Mona help us drop am for comment if Rita dey win or na Monica lobolobo dey win. Una drop am for comments for us. So our next comment say, in this life, just pray you do not have household enemy like Felicia. Really? My people, na Felicia dey behind all these things. Una drop am for comment. Na question I ask you. If na Felicia dey behind all this saga when come out so, because no be so the saga take come out. According to the from the beginning of the saga, say na. So my people, this person come reply to this comment say, Ritoto all the way, no be so more. This one come say, I pray oh. So our next comment come say, but Monica be Rita role model na. Abi una forget? Na truth. Say Monica na Rita role model, my people. We don't know. Na question we ask oh. He say Queen Rita all the way again. We hello, we hail una. This was a Rita na Ritoto dey win 8 points. Ewu Gabia 2 points. Not to juju paper. We must crown the winner. So this person can say to Rita, stop copy Monica. Rita can never know her real self except, excuse me, na true say Rita throway for bush with Calabar boy. Now wow, comment am. So na dey find trouble well sha. Na true say Monica mama na ambassador of single mother by stupidity. Three husband has no marry, no be juju be that. Now wow, my people, I greet everybody. Today we don't still end the video from here. God bless you. Now my people, I ask some question. Mona, not forget to drop the comments for me. I won't know the real true who they lead, many things. God bless you now. Please, my wonderful people, Mona, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's take this channel to 100 now. Beg. Now fit one now. Una fit do am, my commenters analyzer fans. Una fit do am for me. As una get the mic till they even dey open the video self. Now still get the mic to help me subscribe. Let's take this channel to 100 subscriber before Sunday. I know now fit do am. God bless you all. Please don't forget to share our video. Give our video thumbs up. God bless you. God bless you. Bye, my wonderful people. I love you from Commenters Analyzer TV.